Welcome to today's class. Today we have an interesting question on the board, and looking at this question is very easy to solve. I will solve both of them before giving you another one to solve. To solve this question, what to do is let's go straight to the question. Let me write solution. This line is somehow unnecessary. So we have solution to the question. First one we have 12 over x minus 1 equal to 3. So when a denominator cross equality sign, it becomes what? Multiplication. So you can have 12. You know that it was division. It was a divisor here. So when it cross equality sign becomes what? Multiplicator, which is multiplication. So you have this is equals to 3 times x, or just 3 bracket because it's still times. 3 bracket x minus 1. This is 3 times this. So we have 12 is equal to 3 times this to give us what? 3x. 3 times this will give us what? Minus 3. So this cross equality sign become what? Plus. Become the opposite. Opposite of divisor or division is multiplication. So opposite of addition is subtraction. When this cross equality sign will be plus, so you have 12 plus 3 is equal to 3 what? X. So if you add it, you have 15. 15 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by the coefficient of the what? Variable, which is divided by 3. You divide by what? 3. This cancel this. And this going to this will give us what? 5. This is the answer. Let me solve this particular part here, and I'll give you another question to solve. If you have something like 5 all over 2n minus 5 equal to 3 over 2, the best thing to do here is you will not say this cross equality sign, just do cross multiply because we have both of them as fraction. Cross multiply, this is multiplying this and this is multiplying this. So we have 3 brackets 2n minus 5 equal to 5 times 2, which is 10. You understand? So let's open the bracket. 3 times this will give us 6n. 3 times this will give us what? 15 is equal to this times this is what? 10. Are you get what I'm saying? So when you have this, it is very simple. This cross equality sign become what? Addition. So we're having 6n is equal to 10 plus 15. So 6n is equal to 25. 6 cannot divide it completely, but we still remove 6 here. Divide both sides by the coefficient, 6, 6. So here we have n is equal to what? N is equal to, you divide it, either if you know in exam, you should consider the option while solving. If you didn't see this, if this is objective, if you didn't see this in option, then convert it to improper fraction or decimal. Any of the above is very simple. To convert it to improper fraction, we'll be having what's the nearest number to 24 that 6 can divide? Nearest number to 25 that 6 can divide is what? 24. So if 6 divide 24, will give us what? 4. Remainder 1 over 6. Or dividing it to decimal, you have 25 all over 6. 6 going to this will give us what? 4. Remainder 1. This going to this, it cannot touch your point here and add 0. So put a point there and add 0. 6 going into 10 will give us what? 1. Remainder what? 4. 6 going to 4, it cannot, because of this point, you add 0. 6 going to 40 will give us what? 6 going to 40 will give us 6, remainder 4. And do you know what? It will continue giving us 6 because since it's giving us 4, if you touch a point at R0, if you go into 40 again, it will give us 6 remainder 4. So this number will give us 4.16 to infinity. If you press the calculator, it may stop in 4.1666 into 7 places or 8 places, just because your screen cannot contain it more. There's calculator you use, some like scientific calculator. If you press this number, it will give us 4.166666e, meaning infinity. You understand? So, but it will never end. So this is the answer to the question. But definitely, I think you should see this. This is the appropriate way. This is theory. Stop in this. 4 whole number 1 over 6. I love you guys. Bye.